Right, hi folks. Well, I hope every single one of you are all safe and well and you're all in good health. Now, we're kicking the video off over at gamblersden.com where please get involved in the Gamblers Den Christmas giveaway. The lads are giving away a £500, totally free to enter, nothing to do with casinos. All you need is a Gamblers Den account. Hit enter. It's as simple and as easy as that. And then also, please remember the giveaways for the casinos. The lads give away £3,000 every single month, and the most important thing is, and please remember this, you do not need to make a deposit to be entered into the giveaways over on the Den. You only need to have used the lads' link to have signed up to that casino. And that is honestly happy days. So please remember that. Now the big wins, get your big wins up. The amount that's coming in again, it's honestly brilliant to see. And the community big wins will be at the end of today's video. And again, as always, wait until you see these. It's honestly brilliant. I love doing it. So the more wins that go up, the better. And there's loads of you still struggle to get your big win up on the Den, so just email me lowstakeslots@yahoo.com and we'll get the wins that way. I'm starting to catch back up again with the emails and stuff, but the wins on the Den, it's so much better. You get to show your wins off straight away. You'll get a reply from me straight away, and it's easier for me to get the wins in the video. But as I said, it doesn't matter, just email me. Right, I'll start the video exactly where we left off the last time you saw us here, so enough rambling on with the video. Right, here we go. I actually fancy a game of xWay Hoarders. 60s? I've not been on here in 60s, have I? Can't have been. Right, anyway, there I lost £26, maybe £27 on the new Play and Go Athena Ascending, right? And it's like the 396. The other, it's like the new Athena game, I can't remember. Is it Shield of Athena maybe? From Play and Go, and I forgot that's so hard to bonus and all, and if I had remembered I would never have played it. But there you go, £27 gone in minutes on 20p as well. And I checked the RTP and all, and it was at 94%. Like normally Play and Go's here are like 91 and stuff, but there it was at 94 point something. It's just the games, just the same as the other Athena game. It's solid to bonus for some reason. I'm gonna try xWay Hoarders. It was Kingsley's win, Wild King slots. It was the game is on fire for him. So I actually fancy a game of it. Right, hopefully we can get it. Say we're starting to come in here with 177 maybe. Aye, there we're up 92p. Right, hopefully we can get it. I'll bring these back in. Get in then. It's there. It's there. Come on. That's only cost £3. £2.62. Please go off here. I love this game. It's honestly brilliant. £3, but I can't get £26 in the new Play and Go on 20p, and I can't get the bonus. There, one straight in. It was Kingsley get the super. Two of the scars with super bonus. Get in. Oh no, I'll do. Just get one on the real 3 here. And that'll do. Gets us up a level. See if it puts one right in there now. This could be happy days. And you get a wee man. I mean, look at that. There you go. Keep that going. Tenner, still going, stay buzzed, 12 quid. Get in here, get one of these in here that's happy days, and you get in. Oh, hey man. See, that'd have been yellows, that'd have been a nice one. Get in. Dude, no. Come on man, and you get. It's just not going to land, no. Red can. No. Last spin. It's in now, red can this time. I like that dude there, the red can. The dude was better though. I mean, look at that, nothing on the last there. There, 25 quid. He was paying there. Get in, another good. Yellow. Fuck. She was all the way there to 25 quid though. There you go, there's a cash back off that pile of shite. See if I'd remembered the other Athena game is solid to bonus and all, well, solid for us anyway. I'd have been on that. And it had nothing to do with our TP, it was at 94 points something. It's just as solid to get. There's a 199, that's happy days. Right, I'll go try something else. I've been looking through the new games, but there are not many there. It's just that Giga Blocks one, minimum stake, 50p in a pound. Crazy. Right, anyway, I'll see what else I can get. I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. This is in the actual new games. Soldier Bomb. Bet there. How do we get rid of that? I need to bet done. There, 25s. I'll just stick that straight into those. We'll see what this is all about. It's silver starting, 199. Hopefully we can get another wee cheeky early bonus. Right, I'll bring these back in. There we go. That bonus, there we go. Feature triggered. It's actually a good wee game to sit on. The background music and stuff. Swipe to Sojo. What? Huh? If I pick one of these. What are you today? Huh? What's this, man? What? 5 times multiplier? Huh? I've not a clue what's going on. That 5 times multi. There we go. Right. I got a £5 base game, man. 12.50. There you go. That'll do. Do that again. Do that again. One. Ah, the way. Come on, one. Wild in there too. Well, that's nice. 17.50. It cost me £16 though. But I do like it. I like the tune, the background music and stuff, and the way the game actually looks. And there's no tease, it just throws it straight in. Right, there we go, right, no wind, there we go. We're actually up a pound. We're up a pound, and I did enjoy my time on it. Right, I'll try another one. I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go, new from Pragmatic, Real Banks. That's already on the 25, I'll just stick that straight into the others. Right, oh no, it's ones with the cash. Mind you, this might be not too bad. It's not actual jackpots and stuff. It's just I don't like the ones with the cash. You all know that. But like the ones like this, like Wolf Gold and stuff, I don't mind them. But we'll see. Say we're starting with £200. Hopefully we can get something on it. I'll bring these back in. There's a bonus. There's a bonus. That's only cost £6.30. You need a cash symbol in each reel. Right, here we go. Come on, pay me. I must be due a monster one. I've got to be. It's a lot of averages. Something's got to go massive. Do you know what I mean? That's just the way my mind works. Right, how do we get all this at the end here? I thought 50p all. I'll bet you need a collect landing in the reel. Aye, reel collect, I knew it. 2 reel collect, 50p to all. I'll collect that twice. And it stays? Does that's your amount stay? Plus 3 spins? Get one in the middle. Collect all? Collect all times 2 reel. That's collecting every one of them. Yeah, yes man. Oh, go on. Sensational. I haven't saw sensational on the screen for weeks, man. £25. We're still 6 spins here. Get these added up and get more spins in. Check that out. Check that out. Times 2 again. Watch. 12. Look. 24 quid in the one. There's £24 in that one. Oh, this can go off. Get more spins. How do I get more spins? Get this in. Collect this. One, a real one or two. Real 50 PTO, real collect. How did I get this up again? How did I get the spins? Get me more spins, man. Collect. Fuck. No, last spin. Collect. No. Times 3. Look at that. No more spins, oh. Oh, I like that. I like that. £47.80. Only cost us £6.30. That bonus will be hard to get, though. You actually need a cash symbol in each reel there. There's 241. Oh, happy days. Right. Try to think. I'm looking at the time. Right, I'll keep going now. Right, no one. There we go. Right, that will be hard though. You actually need a cash symbol in every single reel for the bonus. But that was good. And you'll see good wins on that. If that keeps going up, then collect all. I'll collect all land it in there. That was huge. Right, anyway, that kind of shocked me at how good that could actually be. I'll go try something, another new one. I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. I actually fancy a game of bigger bass blizzard. I spent there though, put £20 odd in Hakazura Ways. I couldn't get a thing on it, so I just left it. Put that up, 36. Right, that'll do. But we'll see if we can get another bonus on this. I'm sure I got a bonus on it when it first came out. We'll try it again, see what we can get. Let's see, we're starting with 220. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. See that? It's just there's countless teases. It's countless teases. That's about 15 teases. And there it's there. That had to happen. It had to happen. Right, here we go. This can actually pay. I've got it on it. It's 54. It's the extra bet though, so it's on like 40s till 36. On, I've got the music off. It was YouTube slots that let me know you can actually turn the actual ambient tunes off, so there's no fear of copyright. Where is he, man? There too. I needed that. Nothing there though. Nothing to collect. We need £41 here, folks. £41 we need. Where are you? Get in, man. Oh my days. Where are you? There he is. Alright, come on. He needs to get in though. He's got to get in here. £41 we need. There he's. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Oh, it's put a smile on my face there. Big Stevie. There we go. 1620. Happy days. And again. And you get, pal. You get you once here, you have a chance at the next level. Oh, bear with you. Come on, get in. Never to smell them. Right, here we go. Please don't do your usual and 10 dead spins me. Just get in early. Come on, man, in. Where are you? Oh, hey, what's this? What's that? That's what it gave us there. 72p and stuff. That's nice though. That's nice. There you go. I'll take that all day long. You only need a tenner and we're breaking even. But in now, in. 6 spins, get in. Come on, don't let it be. We only see you once in 10 spins. They all do the same. In. It's just nowhere to be seen. This is what they do. This is what they do. They're all the same. Every single big bass game. Please tell me they're bringing him in here. There you go. Thank you, pal. That'll do nicely. There we go. There's a cash back. It's a bit of profit. There you go. Big Stevie. £45. Happy days. Last spin. Tucked away. There we go. That's nice. That was actually unlucky. Only needed 2 there. It had to land though, folks. I was on it. I actually took that off and I was playing it in the 36. And it was just the last couple of spins I put it back on. But there we go. Usual spin. It's a tiny bit of profit. Lucky though. Very lucky. Any lucky to get that? Right, 223, that's happy days. Right, I'll go see what else I can get, but whatever happens, I'll bring you straight back in. Right, here we go. I'm actually going to give this a go. Now, it says it was the advent calendar thing. This is the game. I've got to play through 100x on this, and then you get a go of the actual Christmas wheel thing. It's just a different thing every day they're doing for the 25 days up until Christmas. Wait, I'll turn that down a bit. But we'll see. After I'll try and get the bonus on it, and then I'll go and I'll open up the wheel, see what we can get. I think the last time I get 50 spins on something. Never really got much out of the spins, so it's got other good stuff on it. But we'll see what we start with. 2-2, 2-2-3. Hopefully we can get it though. I'll bring these back in. There it's. That's only cost a tenner. Straight in. Right. Oh no, it's a pick. It's an actual pick. Me and Kevin like the middle though. Starting with a 10 by 5. The mystery, you're always going to either get the middle or you're going to get the lowest. I'm going 10 by 5. Going 10 by 5. Right, come on man. Going on here. I've saw monster ones on this. Just need one straight away and there's jacks, that'll do. Need an ace and a third. Come on, keep winning. Queens, thank you. Get the 10 in. Get 10 in. 10s. Got it to. Need the wee boy. Got a jack. Got the jack and the boy. Right, we're sitting at times 9. Come on, 1. It's queens. The 10s are hitting. 10. Get that guy in. It's for a retrigger and all. This can pay. Come on, man. There's £23 an oog. Retrigger. It's gone off. It's not. There's the guy. Get retrigger. Retrigger or jack. Kings now. Retrigger or jack. Come on, man. Times 13. Wee boy. Jack or retrigger. It's just what they do it. Wouldn't they retrigger? Sensational again. £25 in one spin. Come on, times 14. There's jacks hitting. Get the king in. Get the king in. Oh, that guy's hitting. £79 we're sitting at. Kings. Sensational. £49. Was that blue dude? How many spins have we left? 5 spins left. Well, 5 spins left. Oh, aces were everywhere there. It's times 17. Come on, hit anything. Oh. No, don't dead spin. See, this is where I got off. Something. What? Where was that dude there? One man. There's kings. Get that wee boy in. £81. Last spin times 18. Oh, there we go. Oh, £81. Come on, man. Happy days to that, sir. I told 10 by 5. Split me and Kevin pick. If that had a re-trigger, that was going off. It's not. 294. Come on, man. See, the thing is, though, I haven't actually done the Christmas calendar thing yet. I don't think I've put through 100x. Because it hasn't came up. Normally it would come up the top there and tell me to go and open up the Christmas wheel thing. But there we're up, £70. Happy days. I'm glad I checked the actual advent calendar thing. But I'm going to have to stay on it. Just so that I can actually get a spin at the wheel. Anyway, I'll stay on it. I don't think it should be much more though. But whatever happens, I'll bring you straight back in. Right, here we go. Oh, that's out of beast mode. This is new, due for the last game, and it just literally came in. Again, this is Oh, this is it. Innit? It is as well. I saw something about this the other day there. Aye, it is. It definitely is. Beast mode was brilliant too. It was absolutely, what a game that is. Right, anyway, sorry, that's kind of shocked me that I'm actually playing this as quick as this. Special bit. Jeez, what do we get? I'll take that. Right, anyway, I played Christmas Carol, gave up another £5, I think it was, to actually get the my advent calendar thing, and I only won 5 spins. And it was 5 spins on a Big Bad Wolf Christmas special, and I won a grand total of 25p. But we'll see what this can do. I've heard good things about this, so hopefully I can get a bonus on it. Right, say where we're starting with 200, but 290. Right, I'll bring these back in. There's a tease. It's there. It's there. Yeah, yes, man, it's actually there. Straight in. That's only cost £4.82, but I'll tell you, there was hardly any wins in the base game. Right, mystery symbols are sticky. Wells persistent. 3 wins have multipliers. Collect coin values. No, I don't like that. So it's one of these. I think I'm going to go with this. Full steam ahead. Beast mode characters. Look at this thing go. Right. See what this does. Keep getting there, man. Keep winning. More on this spin. Away, man. Get in. Get them in. Boxes. Come on. Plus a spin. Boxes, man. Thank you. Oh, you've got to. Oh, see, you've got to max that. To get the box, it's the wins, right? Keep winning then. Oh, get away. Then every time you get that up, you get another box. One, man. Stinking tens. Come on, one. It's a good setup to. Tens. One again. Any one of them. Away with you. One, man. Oh, hey. One. Surely. Jacks to. That'll do. That goes to 3. There we got a box and a spin. Please keep winning here. This can pay, man. One. Jacks again. Needs to be 10s. The aces were everywhere. Please win. It's a good setup. Come on. One, man. Oh, top symbol. It's not. It's jacks. You could see that there. 552. It's a tiny bit of profit. I like how that actually works though. I wish I could buy a bonus, folks. There's 2 scars in again. That's just like I never bought the bonuses when they were here. I think we've only, I think I've said before, we've honestly only ever bought about 10 bonuses when they were here. But see now, I miss having the choice. I really do miss having the choice, especially with all the high paying volatility games where the bonus buys are built round about them. They're pointless for us in the UK. It's like we should be playing them on a different server with a totally different mathematical equation, because they must be built the bonus buys in mind, and it's just said they're pointless for us, absolutely pointless. But I like that. I like how that works. If I get it again, I'll play it later on, and if I get it again, I'll take the other one. Right, I'm gonna go. Where are we sitting? I'm looking at the time. Yeah, I'll try something else. I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. Big Santa Fortune. Right, 40. I was gonna do in the 30s. I'll stick to the 20s. I'll stick to the 20s. 20s are working. Right, Big Santa Fortune is brand new, just out today, so hopefully we can get another wee cheeky early bonus. Get in there, stop, it's there. Yes, man, go on. These games can pay as well. What was that, second spin? I remember it's always usually the same. I'm sure I picked the 100x though, the £10 fish. No, £10 on, what was the game? Picked a 10 and it just done the usual. It still only gave me the 100x. Like £4 in it. Aye. Right, come on. There he's in. Keeps on going into it, the £4 fish. Just keep winning pounds and £2. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Keep that going, Chantal boy. As long as you don't collect a £4 fish, it's happy days. Come on. Oh no, that sticks. Gotta keep adding £4 fish in here now. There he's there, that's nice though. There's the school's out. Bell's ringing for home time. That does. Second spin bonus. Big Stevie. You slayed it. You slayed it. There you go. £10, 10p. That'll do nicely. Right, usual spin, and then we're out of there. Right, I'll bring these back in the next one. Right, here we go. Sumo. You from ELK. Just out the day. Right, here we go. Can I try this? You know me, Kevin. We love the ELK games. Do it again, like what you done. Ah, it's there! You rotten git. I thought it was going to do like what it done with Big Santa Fortune. Straight in, that would have done. Because they're straight in, usual. It's the ELK. The ELK games are hard to bonus. They're all the same. Especially the likes I see that Nitropolis 3 and stuff. It's just a tease machine. Right, anyway, right, sorry I was getting carried away there. Right, anyway, say we're starting, what did we have, 298 or something? Right, hopefully I can get it, I'll bring these back in. We're in a bonus? There's no way we're in a bonus. Are we through for a drink again? I can't believe that. I don't believe that. Big win. £4. What's that over? That's that over, innit? It is. I've just missed it. I've literally, look. I've looked at their £3. All those spins went through to get a drink. There's my bottle. It's crazy. That couldn't have lasted that long, I'll tell you that. Right, there we go. Spin. Right, now this will be the community big wins next. Alright, I'll bring these back in. Right, here we go. Kicking us off the day in the community big wins, we've got Stephen Hilton with a 450x win there on that cash patrol. You've no idea how much I love doing this. And then here, up next, we've Michael Hind, shaking aces over on the den with 831x. Finally, Reactons paid him £332 for 40p. And then up next here, we've got Angry Foot Doug. With 1080x on that, but Bison Fury were first, what a win there. And then up next on Gates of Fury, we've got David Burns there with 1100x on the nose, £275 for a 20p stake. What a win. And then here we've got Jake H there on West Coast Cash and Infinity Reels or something it's called. £246 for 20p. What a win, Jake. And then here we've got a video from Wild King's Laws. That's Dave. That's Kingsley and Dave. Right, I'll stop rambling on. I'll let you watch this.
There's one, right. Doesn't give you an extra spin there, does it? There's two.
Yeah.
Right, one more. One more guaranteed spins.
Yeah.
Guaranteed wins, sorry. Oh, fuck.
Thanks, no one knows.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Premium. Premium. Oh, my God.
Nothing wrong. Yeah.
Yep. Premium.
Far out, far
Premium.
out.
Premium.
Ah!
Oh, fucking hell. Mm,
Yes.
There it's there. Look, the mall.
Premium. No, it's a premium, isn't it? That's all right. That's all right. It's got to be all right. 28 quid. The fuck knows.
You would think that would
20
be more.
quid.
I mean, get out my face. Let's max win it.
Last spin.
Oh!
There is there. Oh, that is honestly brilliant. That is honestly unbelievable. That is so, that's brilliant. And there, Wild King slots, Kingsley and Dave ended there with 1,125x. That's honestly amazing. And then up next here, we've got Craig JW, channel member there, with a base hit on Voodoo Gold. Check that out. 1,750x. What a win. And then up next, we've Gillas there on that Tombstone RIP with 2,176x. Check that out for a 40p stake, £800 odd. Crazy. And then here on Legacy of Dead, we've got Younger 104 there with a 5p stake. That's 5p into £116, 2,000 and odd X. What a win. And then here, £480 there from Stephen Hilton, 2,404x, 20p stake into £480. What a win, Stephen. And then here on Legacy of Dead again, we've got Margate, or is that supposed to be Margaret maybe, 1985 with 2,467x. What a win. It was a penny a line there. And then here, check this out from Stumpy, £1,031 for 20p on that Moon 100. That's insane. That is honestly insane. What a win. And again, this is why we love showing you low stakes is where the fun. It's where the fun is. It is the most important thing when you're playing slots, is having fun and entertainment. That is all they're there for us as players, for the casino. They're there to make the casino money, and that is as plain and simple as I could possibly be. So please, lower your stake, have fun on the slots, and see when you win like that, it makes it all the better. See when you get those monster wins, it just makes it so much better. And that's all we try to show you, is play slots for fun. Right, I so hope you enjoyed the video, and I've just got to say, folks, I hope every single one of you are all safe and well, and you're all in good health, and please stay safe, folks. But I'll leave you with the usual. Thanks for watching.